Hey guys, so I've been doing a lot of work in the studio preparing for shows this summer, but I'm going to put out a new video for Behind the Bench series. I was making this ring and I was testing the stone, and silly me, I got it stuck. It won't come out. Normally you should use like dental floss, kind of put that behind it, and then you can pull it out. I thought it would fall in and out, and now I can't get it out. So I'm going to show you a trick here, if it happens to you, how you can get it out. Okay, so I'm going to put a drill bit in here, and then I'm just going to kind of come down here, and I'm just going to drill a hole in the back. Not push all the way through the stone, but just get through the silver. Sorry, no, you can't see what I'm doing. Let's try it this way. So I'm just doing a little bit at the time, just because I don't want to break that Labradorite. Labradorites are really soft. So main thing is I'm just trying to get through this silver. There we go. Okay. So I drilled the hole. So you can, if you want, take the drill bit and just see if it'll pop it out. Oh, look at there. It fell right out. So the stone's okay. Now you're like, oh no, I have a hole in my thing. So what you can do is, to fill that, what I do is I just kind of come in here and I'm going to find some round wire. So that's too big. I know I have smaller round wires. Little pieces everywhere. Okay. And then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to slide the round wire through that hole. And then I'll solder it. And then I'll polish it up and add my texture back. So let's do that real quick. Okay. So as you can see here, I got a little round wire. And I want a tight fit. So what I'm going to do is, this is going to be tight. But I'm going to take it kind of halfway. Probably some scrap I had. And then I'm going to grab a little hammer. I don't care, it doesn't matter. See if I can get in here and hammer this around this camera. Different hammer. Let's try this one. This one's smaller. Now it's kind of in there. Need it to go far. There we go. So, see, it's kind of flat in there. I want it flat. So now I'm going to go over to my soldering station and I'm going to solder that in. Let's go over there now. Okay, so now you see soldered in there, and I'm just going to get some flush cutters here. And we're just going to snip this off. And then I'm going to add texture to that. So one thing I'm going to try and see. Just find something here that I can fit there. There we go. And that's just to give pressure, because this texturing hammer. Hopefully this will work. I'm actually going to use this. Flatten that down. And here's my other hammer. And there we go. I'll just grab this real quick just to clean it up so you can kind of see how you want. Goodness, I just keep hitting everything. Sorry, guys. Summertime is really busy for me because I do a lot of art shows. So I'm going to try to post y'all videos as much as I can, but I thought this would be a good one to do since it happened to me. And I know it happens probably to a lot of people. It happens to me all the time. But look at there. You can't even see it was there. And then I'll finish cleaning everything up, polishing it, and then put the stone back in and go from there. But yeah, every Monday at 9 a.m. hopefully I'll have a video released. If not, just bear with me. I am a one-woman show and I just do this for fun. So yeah, y'all have a great day. Thanks for watching.